Good morning, I'm with Mom and Dad and we are on our way to the air show and we have some family behind us. And yeah, I'm having a chocolate chip cookie for breakfast. Mom wants us to win this little house, huh, Mom? Yep. Put it in the backyard and live out of it.
Miles per hour in a piston-powered aircraft. An amazing roll rate of 500 degrees per second as he does the hesitation roll, then the full roll, and disorientation. As you see, how he can't park somewhere. That's not supposed to happen to keep an airplane aloft below the stall speed of the wings at which they will fall, but Rob Holland can do it. He's going to come by and do a knife edge pass. You know that's flying on the side of the fuselage. Done with speed, with a bit of rudder, lift. Get ready with your eyes and your cameras. And remember this name, Rob Holland. There's knife edge plate. There's the bottom of the airplane. From 2,000 feet down to the ground, and then using Mother Nature's winds to give them a tailwind back into the target area. So you watch them come in, set up their traffic pattern in the sky, setting up a downwind, looking at the wind streamer at the target area on the ground, and then cross deck, which is the exact target area. Down come the brakes, and a 1-foot stand-up landing in the target area.
Miles per hour. As he approaches, notice the gray paint scheme of the F-16, one that accelerates his aircraft into a nearly vertical climb, demonstrating the awesome force-to-weight ratio in a maneuver we proudly call the rocket launch. Celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force.
got back from the air show. It was really fun, and now we are having a bonfire and we are about to roast some marshmallows. So I'm super excited because I love marshmallows. I love s'mores, but not the chocolate and graham cracker part, just the marshmallow part. I didn't end the vlog last night because we had the bonfire and it got kind of late, so I just got tired and went to bed. But something good that happened was that I got a necklace from my brother and his girlfriend. When they went to Arizona, they bought me this necklace. So I absolutely love it. I think it goes really well with these earrings from my roommate. And I just think it's super cute. And I love the color and the stone. And it actually came with a little saying. I can show you guys that later. But yeah, so I'm going to end the vlog. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. Oh no! Wait, was that supposed to happen?
The Viper you see in action today is maintained by our expert.